Cleaning a cast iron cookware requires a bit of care to maintain its seasoning and prevent rust. Here's how you can clean it. Allow the pan to cool down slightly after use. Rinse the pan under warm water and use a soft sponge or a brush to remove stuck-on bits. Avoid using soap as it can strip the seasoning. If you must use soap, make sure it's mild and give it a quick wash and dry. Sprinkle a tablespoon or two of salt into the pan and scrub with a damp cloth or sponge. Rinse the salt out when done. If the seasoning looks dull or if you used soap, apply a thin layer of cooking oil to the entire surface, inside and out. Heat the pan in the oven or on the stove top for locking in the seasoning and making sure your cast iron is naturally non-stick. If your cast iron pan has rusted, fret not. It's 100% pure iron and this can be easily solved. Wash with soap and rinse out the rust thoroughly, and then follow steps 5 and 6 and your pan is good as new.